Barakatuhu. Hope everyone is fine. Welcome to Little Wings Arabic channel, where you get every time updates regarding the basic Arabic learning skills. Thanks to Lord. As we have started the travel related series, right? So today we are targeting first the things which are most common you will see in Arabic countries airports. When you enter the airport, what are the things usually you see in the signboards? What are the things you find in the banners and all? This is a very interesting topic. Please see till the last because it will help you a lot. Okay, so let's go. Today I am using the board. So I'll write and show you what are the things which you find usually when you enter airports, any Arabic countries airport. Okay, for example, we'll keep it UAE. Okay, whatever it is. Okay, so first thing is, as you enter the airport, okay, I'll write and show you. So when you will see the board and all when you enter there, right? There will be written there, okay, Dukhul, yeah, where you enter. So entry is called Dukhul in Arabic. Dukhul, where you enter the board, okay. Anyway, whether it is airport, okay, whether you find airport or shopping mall, wherever you find this word you will see common, which I am highlighting it. See, Dukhul. Dukhul means, remember always when you find this, how to pronounce this. Dukhul is entry. Okay. Then when you enter there, you will see the board, notice board like flights information and all and the gates and all, which gates lead to where and all. So first, if you are in the departure gates, there you will find this word written there, Mugadara or Mugadirun. Okay, we'll keep it Mugadirun. Mugadirun, or some airports it will be written Al Mugadirun also. So Mugadirun. Mughadirun. Hope it is clear for you people. Mughadirun. Mughadirun means what? Departures. Okay? Departure. Departures. Okay? So departure gates it will be written Mughadirun. Al Mughadirun. Okay, let me add Alif Lam itself. So in order people should not get confused. Al Mughadirun. Al-Mughadirun means the departures. Okay, Al-Mughadirun means the departures or departures. You will find this in the airport. When you enter this, in the doors itself it will be written this when you are departing from the country. Okay. So next word, I will erase it. And next word is, when you enter the airport, as you go, yes, there you will, as you know the procedure, right? After that you have to show tickets, right? So tickets, what is called in Arabic? Tickets. Of course everyone will have tickets. So that is called At-Tadhakir. At-Tadhakir. I'll write the pronunciation. Al-Tadhakir. Al-Tadhakir are called tickets. Okay? Al-Tadhakir are called tickets. Okay? Whatever tickets, whether it is flight ticket, okay, train ticket, any ticket, bus ticket, any tickets, it's all called At-Tadhakir. Please remember this. Okay. Next word which is related to airport. Okay. I have some collections of words today for you people. So in this video only I will try to cover up almost the main important words which are related to airport, where you will find in the airport what are the things you will find usually. So after that, what you will find after tazakir, where there is, yes, check-in area is there, right? So what is check-in area is called. First you will find before that doors, gates will be written. So what is gate or gates called? If it is gate written, it is written bawaba, 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 okay, bawabat. Bawabat means gate. Okay. Same word will be written if it's a plural. Some airports it will be written bawabat. Okay. Just it's a plural. Bawabat means gates. So it will show you which gate you have to go. Gate number. Okay. Gate number G19, E18, whatever it is. Okay. So this next step, as you go to your check-in area, you will find this also written. So when you see this next time, please remember bawaba or bawabat. Okay. So this is another word. After that next step, when you go, what you find usually. So I will erase these words. I'm going to write next word, which is very important. After checking, what happens? When you go to check-in area, what is check-in area called in Arabic? Check-in area is called, so first let me write in English. Check-in. Yes. Nowadays you can do online checking also, already checked. So that option is there. But anyway, you have to pass through that gate itself, right? So what is that gate called? Check-in area is called Ijra'at. In some airports it is written like this. Ijra'at as-safar. Ijra'at as-safar. I will write the pronunciation. Ijra'at al-safar. Ijra'at al-safar. See this? Hope it is clear. Ijra'at al-safar. Ijra'at al-safar means check-in area. Okay, please remember this also after this one. Okay, now let's proceed to another step. After you do there, between this so many areas you can find that whatever. For example, if someone needed urgent to go to washroom and all. Yes, so how you will find washroom signs, and also it will be written Daurat Mia. This letter, this word Daurat Mia. Daurat Mia means restrooms. It will be written restrooms. If you don't find written in English, no need to panic. You will learn it anyway. So Daurat Mia, it will be written for male and female same. The symbol will be there. Washroom it is male, female. Okay, Daurat Mia. Okay, so remember this. Daurat Mia is the restrooms or washroom. That also you will find in the airport. It will be written there. Okay. Okay. Next word related to airport is as you can see, after the check-in area is done, now you are giving what? Okay, luggage, right? Luggage I have told you already before. Okay, so again I am writing hakaib, baggage. Okay, hakaib. Next step you are doing this hakaib, baggage. So you are handing over your baggage or luggage, how many kg it is, then you are okay. This is next one. Next related word to the airport after check-in area and all. Usually it happens like this. Okay, your baggages are taken now. There you so friends, as after that this area, important word which I was about to say you, which I forgot unfortunately, that is boarding pass called in Arabic. What is boarding pass called in Arabic? That also I will write. So that is called bataka as-Suud. Bataka as-Suud. Bataka as-Suud. It is called Bitaka or Bataka, whatever it is. I will write Bitaka only. So Bitaka al-Saud. Saud. Bitaka al-Saud means boarding pass. Boarding pass. Bitaka al-Saud, boarding pass. So friends, till here I have this is the series number 1 from the airport related things. We'll back in the next video continuation of this series of airport related matters, airport related banners in Arabic. In the next video I will upload shortly. Okay, thank you for your continued support.